This 2022 Newmar Canyon Star 3927 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Timberland Decor, Glacier glazed maple hardwood sea interior, sleeps 9, self-contained, TV antenna, Colorado Detector, awning, TV, slideout, leveling jacks, smoke detector, external shower, stovetop burner, and 75 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Canyon Star 3927. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.